Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tanya and today I welcome you on the another episode of recreation. So yeah guys, you've heard me right. So today we will be recreating a look that already exists, and this look is all about Alia Bhatt's new movie Gangubai. So there were a lot of looks that are trending on internet right now and they are like just sizzling awesome. So there's this one look of Alia Bhatt in that particular movie that I'm completely adoring. So I'm just gonna recreate that look for you. So as you can see, I've already wore a white sari, but I have to do a lot to come to that level. But obviously I'm not gonna match the same level because it's Alia Bhatt. But we will try and make it look more similar to it. So please guys, video bilkul skip mat karna because this will be an interesting one, and wait till you see the last look of it. So the first step that we will be doing is that we'll be cleaning our face very quickly. So I'm going to be using this Oriflame Sweden Love Nature face wash in the flavor peach. That's how the cute bottle looks. So I'm just going to quickly go and wash my face and then I'll just quickly come back. So once I'm done cleaning my face, I'm just going to use a toner to close all the pores in my face. So for that I'm using this Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters. That's how the bottle looks, and I'll just quickly apply it on my face. So for that I'm going to take a cotton swab. I'll just put a toner on it, a very little amount, and I'll just quickly clean my face with it. So moving on to the next step, I'll just quickly moisturize my face, and for that I'm using this Lakme Absolute Hydra Pro Gel Creme. That's how the bottle looks. I completely adore this cute bottle. And above all, it's a water-based product, so I think it's just perfect for this weather also. So once I'm done hydrating my skin, I'm also going to hydrate my lips. So for that I'm using this The One Lip Spa Care Lip Balm from Oriflame. So that's how the packaging looks, and it's a transparent lip balm, so you can just apply it directly on your lips. Once I'm done prepping my face, now I'm going to quickly start with my face first, and I'm going to take my eyes to glass. So for that I'm just going to quickly apply this Makeup Studio Professional Lamp Stem Primer. So that's how the bottle looks, and I'll just apply it on my face because primer always helps keep your makeup intact. After I'm done priming my face, I am quickly going to work on all the pigmentation that is there on my face. So for that I'm going to be using this Nykaa palette, and it has this orange corrector that I absolutely love to correct all the blemishes on my face. So I'm just going to take a brush, use this product, and I'll just start applying it. I'm done correcting my face, I'm going to quickly conceal it. So for that I'm using this Makeup Studio Professional Makeup Palette, and it's in the shade EP064. That's how the palette looks. And I'm gonna be using this shade here to conceal all the things that I have already done on my face. So I'm just gonna take this amount. With the sponge, I'm just gonna blend all the concealer in such a way that it not only hides my dark spots but also make my skin tone even. Once I'm done concealing my face, I'm going to use this Maybelline Matte Polish foundation in the shade 220, that is natural beige. That's how the foundation looks. So I'm just going to use this product on my face. Once I'm done with my foundation, now I'm just gonna do the contouring. So for that, I'm using this cream contour from Nykaa itself, from the same palette. As you can see, there's a darker shade of brown. So I will just apply it on my face to contour it. We'll just blend this entire thing that we have applied. I'm just gonna apply this highlighter to highlight my top points. So for that, I'm using this Tiana of London Pro Touch concealer. So I'll use it as a highlighter because it's a very light shade for my skin tone. So once I'm done with my highlighting, contouring, foundation and everything, now I'm just gonna pack all this stuff on my face. So for that, I'm using this Makeup Studio Professional powder, and it's in the shade translucent. It's in the number 2 actually. So I'm just gonna apply it all over. Now once I am done with my face, I have decided to do my eyes first today. So for that, I'm using this L'Oreal eyebrow pencil. It's in the shade grey. So that's how the pencil look. So I'm just gonna quickly fill my eyebrows with it. I'm not gonna make it very pointed because in the look that I saw, it doesn't really, it is thick, it's a bit thick, but it's very, very natural. So I'm gonna keep it very natural. And it was not at all pointed, so I'll not keep it pointed at all. Eyes, I'm using this MAC Studio palette. That's how the palette looks, and I'm just gonna quickly dip into the very light transition shade, and I'm just gonna do a matte transition on my eyes, and that's all I'll just do. So I have taken a pinkish and a brownish shade, and I'm just gonna remove all the extra stuff on it. With my transition shade, I'm gonna take this Nika kajal. So it's in a jet black color. So I will just take this kajal and do my eyes with it. So I'm gonna do a very thick kajal today. I don't want my kajal too smudged, so I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and I'll just press it all over my kajal so that it stays exactly where it is. So a black eyeshadow on. So once I am done with this, I'm just going to quickly do my eyelashes, and for that I'm using the eyelash curler and it's from Wake Up. Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara, and trust me guys, it's a very, very nice mascara if you want to give a volume to your eyelashes, and then I think this is really a good one. Done with my eyes, I'm gonna quickly do the powder contouring, blush, and then the highlighter, and I'll then put a lipstick, and then my look will be done. So for the powder contouring, I'm using this dark brown shade, and you can pick it from any palette. I'm using this NYX palette. So I have just dusted all the extra one. Now I'm going to dip my brush into a very nice blush shades of pink and orange mix with a bit glitter and a bit matte, and I'll just apply blush on the apple of my cheeks, and I'll give it a very subtle look. Once I'm done applying the blusher, now I'm going to quickly take the highlighter on my same brush, and I will just apply the highlighter very nicely. about the highlighter, I'm also gonna apply the same highlighter on my brow bones and all the highlighting points. On the inner corner of my eyes. And at last on the cupid of my lips. And once I'm done with my lipstick, I'm going to top it up with a matte lipstick, and it's in the shade Matte Meher, and that's how the shade looks like. So I am just gonna apply the same lipstick on my lips. And now at last I'm gonna take a black kohl, and I am just gonna apply a black kohl on my cheeks a bit to give that extra look of Gangubai. I'm gonna finish the look by applying a big red bindi on it. So since I do not have that much big size of a red bindi, so I'm just gonna take a brush and a red lipstick, and I'm just gonna create it. So guys, this is like the final look of Gangubai that I have created. So for wavy hair, I have actually put some water on my hair and just tied it upwards, and I left it for like 10 minutes so I can just get that wavy look for my hair. For this white sari that I have wore, as you can see here, and I've also taken this white mala, and it's actually a floral mala. And apart from that, I wore this nut. I have applied this black kajal as a till, as a mole, and I have actually put a very big red bindi to give it a look. So this is like the final look of Gangubai that I have created. Obviously I'm definitely missing that red part of it, but apart from that, I'm absolutely adoring it. And just in case you want to give it an extra look, you can obviously put those red color on your nails to give it a final look. But this is my take in it, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. And if you did, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And if you're the old one, then please do like, comment, share, and please do share your recommendations to the new videos and stuff. So now I'll just take your leave, and I really hope that you like the video.